What's up, everybody? I just have like two deals today, and then I wanted to recap from the video yesterday. So, the first deal, I meant to talk about it yesterday, is at Menards. Same deal. That Metabo 10-inch cordless dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Okay, it is 311, but it's not really 311. It's 349, but you get 11% cash back in the form of Menards gift card, right? So, basically it's 350, but that's still a crazy deal because everywhere else is still, I think it's on sale at Tyler Tool or something like that for uh 480 or something like that. But everywhere else is $500 or $600. This is the super crackhead price. There you go. Now they do have the one that comes with the battery. Get the one that comes with the cord because these cords are hard to come by. It's easy to find, buy one get one Metabo battery deals or buy kits that come with the actual battery. But get this one right here for the same price that comes with the cord because those cords are expensive. They're hard to come by. So there you go there. Moving on over to toolsplus, they have a pretty decent Milwaukee deal with this drill driver. Now, we were talking about this yesterday because the Metabo was on sale at Ohio Power Tool for $75 for the whole kit, right? But it was weird because it calls it a 3-in-1, but it comes with two attachments. And I was thinking, well, maybe this chuck here works as its own individual tool, which would have been cool, but that's not the case. I'm going to tell y'all what I found out. But going back to this right here, this set at Home Depot is $229. All right, it's $229. And over here at toolsplus, it's $179 plus you get a free tool. So you get to choose. It's nothing to really choose from right now. I think the check your available gifts. It's an oscillating tool, but it's not a fuel. Let's see. Choose 2 free items. Well, it says choose 2 free items from list. Do we get to choose? It's saying choose 2. If we add it it's saying 2 because I have 2 of these in my cart. So anyway, that's why I said 2. I'm like, what? You get 2 free gifts? Yeah, so you get a free oscillating tool all for $179. That's an incredible deal with free shipping, right? Now, if you don't care about the free tool, about the oscillating tool, and you just want this Milwaukee kit, what you could do is use this little. You can hack it over at Home Depot, and it'll be $138. You can add the free tool. Just make sure you add the right angle, the ratchet, because that one costs $149. It makes this $138. Here's the deal, though. That's still a whole lot more than $75, right? Even though at $138. But you see, it comes with 4 attachments here, and it's a genuine 4-in-1. So it has the 4 attachments. Now, the thing was, going back to yesterday. Oh, wow, I'm getting ahead of myself. The Metabo, only came with 2. So I went to Metabo's website, and it's a 4-in-1. I don't know why they call it a 3-in-1, another mistake, but it's a 4-in-1, and here are the different attachments. The thing is, these 2 are sold separately. Now, I don't know how much the bottom one, the quick change insert bit, costs, but I did look up the offset adapter. And that thing, the cheapest I could find was, I think I did see it on eBay for $55. So when you add that up, you want to get the other attachment that was also $50. I mean, you well over the $138. You might as well get the Milwaukee. But if you get the Milwaukee, be very, very careful because you cannot. If you lose one of these, you cannot buy them individually like you can the Metabo. So if we go down, I mean, you could probably find one on eBay used or something, I think. But let's look at this. It says lost one on a job and from Milwaukee Tool. Hi there. The attachments for our M12 fuel 4-in-1 installation 3H drill driver are not available separately. They just want you to buy a whole nother tool. That's crazy. So anyway, I just thought I'd update you guys with that. And by the way, the last thing I want to say is this is a brushed tool, but you see this maximum torque, 354 inch-pounds. On the Milwaukee, the max torque is 300. Let's find it right here, 300 inch-pounds. So it's more powerful than the Milwaukee, even though it's brushed. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is don't worry about brush. Brush tools just simply mean the motor is brushed, and over time the brushes wear out, you gotta replace them. It's not expensive to do. Like, here's some brushes. Here's some DeWalt, a 2-pack brushes for some tool. I don't know. This $18. There's some Makita carbon brush sets. A carbon brush set is $8.40. You know, like $10 on average. You know, more $10 more or less. So they're not expensive. So anyway, that's it for today, y'all. Just a quick video. Happy Sunday. Have a great week. And I'll see you guys next time.